Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the macOS name and signing in as an administrator. This matters because options vary by version. Once done, close apps that may block changes and save documents. Now, click the Apple menu at the top left and choose System Settings or System Preferences depending on your Mac OS. This opens the main control panel. Make sure your screen resolution lets you see the sidebar and preference icons. If you need keyboard access, press Command Space and type the app name to open it quickly. Once the window is open, scan the left sidebar or the icon grid to locate the panel you need, for example, Network, Privacy, Displays, or Users and Groups. Use the search field at the top to jump directly to a particular setting. Type a keyword and press Enter to go there instantly. If a setting is grayed out, click the padlock icon and authenticate with your admin password to unlock protected controls. Make changes deliberately and note dependent settings that may update automatically. Apply your settings and watch for immediate feedback. For example, change display brightness, then verify in an open app. Once done, close the panel or restart the specific service, like Wi-Fi, to ensure changes stick. If something goes wrong, test in a different user account or boot into safe mode to isolate extensions. As a final troubleshooting step, reset nvram/pram or reinstall macOS only if configuration files seem corrupted. Make sure to backup first, because resets can remove personalized settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.